Air Fountain Review. Your guide to clean water generation. In a world increasingly grappling with a freshwater crisis, where climate change and surging population growth intersect ominously, the stark reality is clear. By 2025, 2/3 of the global population may face water shortages. The pandemic has only exacerbated this issue, disrupting water supply chains and highlighting the urgency for alternative water sources. Amid this pressing challenge, the air fountain system emerges as a beacon of innovation. This groundbreaking solution teaches people to construct an at-home device that harnesses the power of condensation to generate up to 10 gallons of clean drinking water daily. Using affordable household materials, it democratizes water self-sufficiency. The magic of the air fountain system. The air fountain system is capable of extracting 10 gallons of water per day from even the driest desert air. Inspired by a technology utilized by the Israeli army, it addresses the increasing prevalence of droughts and water scarcity by leveraging the principle of moisture condensation to transform air humidity into water. John Gilmore, the inventor, was driven by a personal crisis involving water theft to seek a reliable water source. In response to NASA's prediction of a century-long drought potentially affecting the entire North American continent, Gilmore's system provides an independent, portable, off-grid water source. Remarkably, Gilmore built his own version of the device for under $300, presenting a cost-effective alternative to retail systems that can cost thousands. How it works. The air fountain operates on the principle of condensation, where water vapor in the air is cooled below its dew point, causing it to condense into liquid water droplets. This system ingeniously uses materials to cool air, extracting humidity and transforming it into pure, clean drinking water. This method harnesses the moisture naturally present in the air to generate a continuous supply of water, vital for human needs. About the creator. John Gilmore, with a background in engineering and chemistry, collaborated with Professor Helen Wright, a chemistry professor specializing in water purification techniques. Together, they reverse-engineered complex atmospheric water generators into simplified, cost-effective designs for residential use. Their vision was to make water self-sufficiency achievable and affordable for regular households through the power of condensation. The air fountain system offerings. The air fountain system comes in 2 customizable configurations to cater to different living spaces. Compact version. Ideal for confined urban settings, this version uses smaller materials and can produce about 5 gallons of water daily. Perfect for apartments, tiny houses, RVs, and off-grid cabins. Home version. An upgraded model that utilizes larger components to achieve up to 10 gallons of water output per day, sufficient for a family. Features of the air fountain system. Both versions of the air fountain system include step-by-step guidance to source materials, detailed photographic tutorials for assembly, tips for optimal placement and maintenance, unlimited lifetime access. The compact version includes a 50-plus page printable illustrated manual, an online video course with over 20 modules, live online webinars for interactive learning, free lifetime upgrades. The home version includes a 150-plus page illustrated manual, over 120 minutes of video tutorials, private forum access, priority email support, a materials and cuts list builder app, additional components and bonuses. The air fountain program also includes tutorials for constructing a mini solar power generator for off-grid functionality. Additionally, it offers bonus guides and courses covering related self-sufficiency areas such as water conservation best practices, solar power basics, wind power principles, essential survival skills. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Simple, easy to follow instructions for beginners. Digital format provides instant access. Comprehensive guidance and lifetime upgrades. Produces purified water exceeding EPA standards. Affordable solution compared to expensive retail systems. Disadvantages. Lack of a physical package or DVD format. Requires independent sourcing of materials. User reviews and testimonials. The air fountain has received glowing reviews from over 700 verified users. Here's a taste of the feedback. In Arizona's hot and arid climate, the air fountain produces 4 or 5 gallons of refreshing water daily. I haven't bought bottled water since. Lucas, Arizona. I live off-grid and needed an affordable water system. The air fountain's simple design and detailed guidance made it easy to build my first harvester using scraps. Now I have all the water I need. Amelia, Oregon. I thought only industrial condensers could extract water from thin air. But the air fountain system works with basic materials. My family loves the clean, pure drinking water it produces. Diego, New Mexico. Conclusion. With looming freshwater scarcity, the air fountain system empowers self-reliance by harnessing air, an abundant raw element, to produce purified drinking water sustainably. Its simplified condensation method offers an inexpensive, user-friendly solution. Backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, this innovative program enables water independence swiftly and affordably using commonly available household items. With comprehensive instructions catering to every skill level and need, the air fountain makes clean water accessible to all. Don't miss out on this revolutionary step towards water self-sufficiency. Your future depends on it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Click the link below for more details and information.